Hi everyone. I wanted to make a quick video setting you up for success so that you can get 2 to 3 harvests from your mushroom kit. So this is my setup at home. I keep my kits in these bins with a humidifier, and I keep them in a basement room, which is in the upper 50s to the lower 60s, especially now in the winter when there's heaters running. They can dry out a lot faster. So I like to keep the humidifier going. I usually don't start the humidifier until the pins show up. So you can tell some of my kits are in the box and some of them are out of the box, just in the grow bag themselves. And I grow all of my mushroom kits at home just in the kit. And the reason for that is because the box, as beautiful as it is, when you use it more than one harvest, it harbors the water, which can potentially create mold problems. So after your first flush, just throw that beautiful box away. It is almost 100% biodegradable. And then that way you can actually watch the health of the mycelium. You can assess for any mold that might be showing up, or you can also assess for any sitting water that you can pour out. And this guy doesn't have any sitting water, but I basically just tilt the bag like this to pour out any sitting water. These guys are gonna be dinner tonight. And these guys are 5 to 6 days old. They have still quite a bit to grow. And with this setup, sometimes if you have more than one kit going, which I obviously recommend so that you have a constant harvest of mushrooms, sometimes I like to close these, which will also help to contain the moisture. After your first harvest, and you have placed your mushrooms in an airtight container for up to 10 days in the refrigerator, you peel off any of the baby pins that didn't grow into mushrooms and place the kit in the original grow bag inside of another airtight bag, and let it rest for anywhere from several days to several weeks. And you will begin to see the mycelium start to grow back. Once you've rested your kit, take it out of the bag, out of the second bag that it was resting in, still in the original grow bag. Recut your X, re-soak the X upside down overnight, and that should set you up for success to have another harvest, maybe even 3. I would suggest checking out my website, themindfulmushroom.org. I have a series of how-to videos that will set you up for success, as well as a page of frequently asked questions. I would encourage you to visit both of these. Another suggestion that I have, thanks to a dear friend of mine, is occasionally you will see the baby pins, the baby mushrooms growing inside of the bag. And the reason for this is because the mushrooms have chosen that is their perfect environment. There's plenty of fresh air, there's plenty of humidity. It is the perfect environment for them. That probably means the environment outside of the bag is too dry for them. So oftentimes you will see them start to pin inside of the bag. If this happens, it is okay, depending on where the mushrooms are growing, compared to the X. It is okay to tear the bag a little bit to accommodate growing mushrooms, and you can even cut the box around growing mushrooms, but please do not cut the original grow bag away or cut a lot of it open. That will result in drying out your kit. So I hope this video was helpful. I am looking forward to earning each and every one of you as a lifelong customer here at the Mindful Mushroom. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and have a beautiful day.